1. Determination, turning into stubbornness. Taurus individuals are commonly linked with a resolute sense of determination, but this can translate into stubbornness when they resist embracing change or new ideas. 2. Possessiveness in relationships and material matters. Taurus individuals may exhibit a possessive inclination, placing high value on security and stability in both relationships and material possessions. 3. Reluctance to embrace change. Taurus may display reluctance towards change and could find it challenging to swiftly adapt to new circumstances or concepts. 4. Appreciation for material comfort. Taurus is associated with an appreciation for material comfort, and in certain instances, this may lead to materialistic tendencies. 5. Avoidance of risks due to stability. Preferences. Because of their preference for stability, Taurus